Whoa, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name still remain Udofia Idikureke, and here is the final review of today's trade, and I'm going to be showing you all of the trade that we took. So far we had a trade on pounds Japanese yen. So I'll be going to the pounds Japanese yen, and we said this is a buy. As you can see, this is the 4 hours chart. It was indeed a buy. If we were trading for short term, we would have had our first take profit around this level. This was where we entered the trade, and then after the market has broken past this level, it's retracing, and then we're looking out to see a continuation on the trade. But basically this was a fantastic trade for us because we would have hit our first take profit. But here is where we had our take profit for the day. So as you can see, this is looking good. So far so well. We are at 5 pips for the close of today. And then the next trade we also took, the currency pair we had next was the Aussie Japanese yen. We were selling this trade, and indeed we really sold. So here's how we took this trade. We had a pending order to sell this trade. If you remember my previous trade, I think was it on Monday, which was yesterday, I said I was looking to take a sell on this trade, but I wanted something on the top. So like I still say, and I'm going to say it again, the rules of trading is that when the market is high, you want to be selling, and then when the market is low, you want to be buying. That is not to say that you cannot sell when it's, come on man, I'm recording. That's not to say that you cannot trade when it is low, you cannot sell when it's low, but appropriately you should put in mind that when the market is low, you want to be looking for opportunity to buy the market. So basically, when we started today, we started with a balance of I think 600 or 700 USD, and now we're closing with a balance of 1244 USD. So here's what I was thinking. Initially I was at plus my profit, everything put together was way above 900 here. So I was looking at it, should I close or should I just wait for the end of the day, or just wait for the market to continue in the next day? But now I want to break it down to all of you watching me now. I'm more of a day trading. What does that mean? It means that when I execute trade, I close them before the next day. As long as they are still in profit, I close them. If they are not in profit, looking at the market, I could decide, you know what, let me still keep this trade because I'm still optimistic that it's coming up. For instance, of one of such trade was my USD dollar. On this trade, I think I had like a 0.2 lots here as at yesterday. Yeah, if I'm not mistakenly, let me see. So yes, so I had this trade as at yesterday, and then I also took this one today for the same trade. If you look at the day, this is 15 and this is 16. I had to take profit on this for this. I had this other two take profit, and you know, that was it. And just today alone we had made like a 945 USD dollars. So basically that's what it is. So honestly, I think I'm just going to leave it. I'm just going to leave the trade to continue rolling because I am still optimistic that this will definitely keep going up to hit take profit. So far, you can see this is a complete trend. This is a complete trend, and there's no telling how much it will continue to go. So basically we want to be looking at this level, or which level was I even aiming at? I think I was using the, yeah, so basically you want to be looking at that level. Already we had our first take profit on this one, which was the the one lot size that we took. So That's just it. And then for the Swiss USD dollars today, yep, we are still selling. We're still selling, and here is where we have our take profit. But if you are more of a short-term trader, there is also this level here where the market has actually reacted twice. You see it here, you see it here. So what you should be looking at is for the market coming back to retest this level. So that's still, and that's not a bad position to take your first take profit, which is 36 pips. So that's it. What other trade did we have? Yes, let's look at the US Canadian dollars. So for this, you could tell we really sold, but just that it didn't come to hit our take profit. We had our take profit here, and then the market got to this point and just kept going up. So you can see this was a good trade. It wasn't a bad trade. It was a good trade for us, but just as it is, we didn't get to hit our take profit. But we'll still watch and see. We also expect the market to still bounce back from this level. This is support on resistance. You could remember the market was at this level as a support level, and then it went up, and now at this level it turned resistance, and now is reacting to those levels. So we'll be waiting to see how the market goes for tomorrow. And then what else? Which other trade did we take? We took the Canadian news, the Swiss dollar and the Canadian dollar. And then on this trade we said the market was selling. Well, the market is selling, of course. The market is selling, of course. We broke this level. Yes, we broke this level. Where did we even have our take profit? My. So we didn't even set any take profit here. How did I miss that? So I would have had my take profit here. Can you imagine? How can I put a trade without a take profit? Well, basically, looking from this bigger time frame, if you're more of a long-term trader, you want to have your first take profit around here, which is like 50 pips, or you want to have it close here. But I think here it's just appropriate for us to have our take profit. Yeah, I think that's a good place for us to have our take profit. Can you imagine? I didn't even know I didn't set any take profit. At least I would have had this first guy. Yeah, but it's okay. So here is where we are aiming to have our take profit. The market is still looking good. What else? We had this one. We have the pounds USD. This is looking fantastically well. So here's what I'm thinking to do is to adjust my take profit or my take profit a little up, and then we're looking at really taking the money out of the market. But if you're more of a short-term trader, you have this level here to have your first take profit, and then second take profit. Do we have the third and fourth? Okay, so that's about that, and there's still more to go. If you're more of a long-term trader, this is your third take profit level. So that's what it is. If you remember yesterday on this particular currency pair, I said I was looking to sell, but I didn't want to sell around this level here. Let me go to the 4 hours chart. Okay, so I didn't want to sell around this level here. I was looking at this level here or this level here, but the market came, gave us that reaction here. We saw it happening here, and then the next day we saw this coming up, and we're like, wow, that is it. So let's take that to this level. So I think optimistically, like positively, the market would come touch this level over here. So that's basically what it is. So thank you for watching. Everything looking good. Tomorrow I might not be able to give any signal because I have a meeting, and it's almost like throughout the whole of tomorrow. But on Thursday you can trust that I'll be coming up with new signals, because this channel is all about giving you signals once every day. Every day we give you signal, and we trade a wide range of all the major currency pairs and gold. That's what we trade. For the gold, we had our take profit. Let me even show it to you. We had our take profit for gold. Where is the gold? Here is it. We made $56. It was a 0.05 this thing. But the truth of the matter is, we were actually aiming at, let me even show it to you. Oh my. So we're actually aiming at, let me go to the 4 hours. We're actually aiming here to have our first take profit somewhere around this level, and the market did do. We adjusted our take profit from this level here, and we kept it here, and this is where we had our $56. But I think later on today I saw that the market actually came so strong, got to this place, cleared all of that, went back up a little bit more, and now it's going back down. For me, gold is a sell. But just have an expectation of gold reacting at this level here. But right now, gold will still be selling to this level here. We want to see how the market reacts, and then down to this level if the market still shows a level of momentum to the downside. But this is a fresh downtrend for gold, and you don't know how far the downtrend would go. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I still remain your number one, Udofia Idikureke, all the way from Lagos, Nigeria. And thanks for liking. I appreciate you guys, and trust me, I'm coming up with more and more interesting signals on Thursday. Tomorrow is a complete off for me because I have to go to church, and thank God for understanding and everything that He's doing in my life, stuff like that. So basically that's what today's channel is all about. Yep. So the thing about our trade is that if we are not too sure, we would share our opinion. Like I like to put the disclaimer, I am not your financial advisor when it comes to forex trading. I'm just one guy who loves to trade the market for hobbies, and I think sharing is cool. When I see the opportunity, then I share it with you guys, and then you take advantage of the opportunity, make some money for yourself. But the key of trading is using the right money management method so that you don't blow off your account. So we're still at 2,000 plus from 700 USD dollars as at today in the morning, and we have a balance of 1,400. That's like double the amount already, and we have a profit still running. And for sure for tomorrow, I know we're all going to hit our take profit, and then I'll come back to you on Thursday by 9 o'clock Nigeria time, 8 a.m. London time, and that's when we drop the signal. Please do not forget to like, subscribe to our channel so that anytime we are live, you are first to get notified, and then you could follow us as to when we start analyzing the market and why we are trading in the direction at which we are trading. Thank you for watching, and do have a wonderful, beautiful evening. Bye to you all.